Did you know God once used a talking donkey to save a greedy prophet's life? A king offered Balaam tons of gold and silver to curse God's people. Even though God said no, Balaam couldn't resist the money. He saddled his donkey and rode toward the enemy camp. But something invisible was waiting. An angel with a deadly sword stood blocking the narrow mountain path. Balaam couldn't see it, but his donkey could. The terrified animal pressed against the wall, crushing Balaam's foot. Furious, Balaam beat his donkey 3 times. Then something miraculous happened. God opened the donkey's mouth and it spoke. "Why are you beating me? What did I do wrong?" Then God opened Balaam's eyes. He saw the angel with the drawn sword, ready to kill him. His donkey had saved his life 3 times by refusing to move forward. Sometimes what feels like an obstacle is actually God's protection. When things don't go your way, trust that God might be saving you from something dangerous ahead. Follow for daily faith motivations.